All right, so you have 10 meals in your freezer. Now what? This is where our handy dandy meal planner comes in. We recommend using 3 to 4 meals per week. This is pretty typical of what we've seen over the years as to how many nights we are actually able to have dinner at home and leaves room for using leftovers. You are, of course, in control of what meals you eat and when. But if you want to really hit the easy button, we've created a suggested plan for you. We've spread out the flavors and the proteins so you get a nice mix with our plan. We've also put together a shopping list of things you need to complete these meals. While most items for the dinner are already in your bag, these are the non-freezables: grains, soft veggies, toppings, etc. Many of these items you might already have on hand. We recommend that you start your planning process on a Sunday and pull out the meals you'll be using for the week. You can also schedule your shopping trip, the one you always have to take to get the milk, lunch items, etc. Add these to your list. Or if you're like me, you'll simply add these to your weekly grocery delivery. Decide what nights you'll be using the freezer meals and write it out on paper or on something like this, like I use, so you commit to it. As the week goes on, your meals will thaw in your fridge. At dinner time, you'll take your thawed meal and cook according to the instructions in your booklet. Cooking is usually as simple as dumping into a casserole dish, crockpot, or skillet and cooking. On a few occasions, you'll need to add an ingredient, say sour cream or milk, to a sauce. Nothing difficult, we promise. You'll have some guidance in your booklet on suggested side dishes. And that's it. Cooking times will vary according to the meal. Have an instant pot? Feel free to use this to speed up the cooking process. We can't wait to hear which meals your family loves best and, just as important, how much you've loved the process.